Okay. This appears to be pretty much the final design. Close the window. So I finished the piece here. I enclosed it so that when I'm crushing the pills, they don't shatter and go everywhere. I built a little slide, a little ramp, but I can still release the powder once it's formed. Once the pill's crushed, you just release it, drop it down. This will be where the plate sits with the piece of ham or whatever I choose to use. The powder will just fall down onto that piece of meat. I added this base so that, you know, it's pretty steady when the hammer hits. I added some hot glue on the bottom to kind of grip the table. And let's see here. I like how I can possibly fold these in for better storage. I can just kind of slide it into place somewhere in a cupboard so that it's, you know, a bit more convenient to store and to actually use. Makes it a bit more practical. But yeah, the design is basically done, but it's a little hard to show one-handed right now. Don't have my tripod. Just needed to give a quick update to show that I'm pretty much done with the design. In the final build, I will likely add another support here with a single pulley somewhere on the side of it or something like that. But this is essentially it. And yeah, I can only imagine upgrading a few things. It's still a lot of fun to use. Pull one lever, hammer goes up, smashes the pill into powder. The other string I then pull to release that powder. One of the things I want to try and improve is how to stick the pill, how to insert the pill to begin the process. Right now I'm just gonna have to reach in there and put it back in there, but it should be all right. Created a little slide, powder slides down, and yeah. It's fun. My nephews love it. They've been making their own miniature versions. But yeah, we'll see how it goes in the next week or so.